Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix proxy error 404 in Janitor AI. So guys, the proxy error 404 is Janitor AI is usually mean the platform cannot reach the configured AI proxy or API endpoint. So this can happen because of the incorrect proxy URL and expired API configuration, server side issues or temporary outage. To fix this guys, first of all check your proxy configuration. For this, simply go here and go to the option of your you are chatting someone using proxy. Okay, so go here for chat section. Okay, here you go janitor, and guys after that here you see the option of provider, and if you are a custom provider so you use the proxy, and guys here you can add new, and after that you put all these details again properly, then click the option of add. After adding or changing a proxy URL, refresh page for take effect. So make sure when you add all of these things you can do. And another warning is janitor has no affiliation with any proxies, so your IP and the chat log might be logged. Please ensure you trust the proxy. Okay, so make sure these are the things before you use any third party proxy. Second thing is guys, verify your API endpoint. If you are connected and to the external API provider, so confirm your AI confirm you are using the correct API endpoint and check that the endpoint has not changed, and verify your API key is still valid, and make sure your account has the sufficient storage, uses and credit. Okay, after that guys, test the proxy server. If you manage your own proxy, so ensure the proxy server is running, then restart your proxy server if necessary and check the server log for the error, and verify that the proxy accept the incoming request. Also disable VPN or the proxy software. Guys, some VPNs and the network proxy can interfere with the Janitor AI. So you try to turning off your VPN and disabling the third party proxy software and connecting through the another internet network, and also restarting your browser. So these are the things that you can try to fix this issue, and guys thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.